Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a bomb transition effect on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your CapCut apps and add the video that you want to edit, in here I add three videos. So if you wanna add a transition, so you just click on a box white, this one, and then in here you just click on social media, and in here you can see a bomb transition effect, this one, so you just click on it. Okay, in here you can set the duration, so you just swipe or right the this one like this. And if you wanna set the transition to all a video, so you just click up on apply to all, and after this you can click check icon in here and finish. So that how to add a bomb transition on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.